The Redmi Note 15 5G is a strong mid-range phone for anyone who wants a premium screen, reliable speed, and long battery life without paying flagship money. Up front, you get a 6.77-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, so scrolling feels super smooth and colors look vibrant. Brightness is also good, making it easy to use outdoors. For performance, it runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, which is great for daily tasks like social media, YouTube, browsing, and multitasking. It comes with Xiaomi HyperOS 2, based on Android 15, giving a clean and modern experience. Camera-wise, the main highlight is a 108-megapixel primary camera, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 20-megapixel selfie camera. In daylight, photos look sharp and detailed, and the ultra-wide is handy for group shots and landscapes. Low-light results are decent, but not flagship level. Battery is a big win here. A 5520 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, which easily lasts a full day for most users. You also get IP66 dust and water resistance for extra durability. Overall, the Redmi Note 15 5G is a balanced all-rounder. Great display, strong battery, and solid cameras for the price.